Hi Tribe, welcome back to my channel. You are watching my Yaluna Corazon. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a bra cups that fits you, and I will show you later on what material I use for this project. First, I want to show you how I measure my breast. So I'm just going to draw here. So for example, here is the breast. I'm sorry, it's very small. I will zoom a little closer so you can see. Yeah, I never do this way before, so I'm just trying to explain to you. You can see that my nipple, and I'm going to measure from my nipple down to under my breast. So my measurement is 3 inches from my nipple down to, the under the breast. And now with 3 inches, I just gonna crochet the chain that will be long about the length about 2.5 inches because it's going to stretch later on. And also I'm going to add the border cup. I will show you later. The yarn I use in this project is DK weight, and I use 3.5 millimeter hook. So first I chain 13, and after I got 13 chain, I used the measurement tape. I forgot to tell you that you need also the measurement tape, of course. And I measure it is about 2.5 roughly. As I mentioned, I want to have 2.5, even though my measurement from my nipple down to under my breast is 3 inches. I still want to have 2.5 because I'm going to add the border cups that will add another inches, something like that. So I just chain 13 to the length, and then I add 2 chain because I'm going to make the cup with half double crochet. So the 2 chain is just to build up the yarn, and then I add half double crochet in third chain from hook, like so. And I add another half double crochet in each chain across. When I get to the end of this chain row, not even row yet, but this 13 chain, I have exactly 13 half double crochet. And no matter how many chain you make, just keep adding 1 half double crochet like so, and just do the same like me. If you measure your nipple down to under your breast is 4 inches, then just make chain 3.5, just minus half inches away. So when you get into the last one, it doesn't matter how many half double crochet you have, you're going to add 1 more half double crochet in the same stitch. This is how you increase the row. Now chain 1, and in the same stitch you're going to add another 2 half double crochet. Now we are going to crochet downward to the other side. You can see after you add 2 half double crochet in the same stitch at the corner there, now you're going to add 1 half double crochet in each stitch across. So in the end, you're going to have a total of 28 half double crochet plus 1 chain on the top there. So it's like basically 14 half double crochet in one side, and the side A, let's say this part is side B. So the side A in the beginning, you have 14 half double crochet, chain 1, and then the same stitch on the top, you add 2 half double crochet there, and then 1 half double crochet in each stitch across until the end down here. So the A and the B side, now you're going to have total of 28. I hope it's not too complicated for you. If you don't understand, just press stop right now and go back to see it again. And now I'm going to measure one more time, and yeah, you see it's already stretched out a little more than before, just a little more than before. So it's just perfect that I just crochet only 13. So now row 2, we going to, row 2 is gonna be the row that every row after row 2 gonna repeat row 2. So for row 2, chain 2 to build up the yarn. This chain 2 don't count as any stitch at all. And then you add 1 half double crochet in the first half double crochet from previous round, and then 1 half double crochet in each half double crochet from before, like so. I encourage you to count the stitch because then you don't add too much or too less. I always count the stitch to make sure that I have exactly the same number on the A and the B or in every round. So here when you come into the top here, you should have here 14. And then you see this chain 1 from before, you're going to add 2 half double crochet this time. So row 2 in the chain 1, you add 2 half double crochet now. This is how you increase, and then chain 1, and in the same chain 1 space from previous row, you add again 2 half double crochet. You see in this row we increase another 4 half double crochet, and after that you add 1 half double crochet in each stitch across, only in the chain 1 that you add 2 chain 1 and then 2, and the rest you just add 1 half double crochet. And at the end of this row you have 4 more stitches, so you can make a calculation now. Before was 28, so now gonna be 32. So each round you have 4 stitches more, and now you're going to repeat row 2 over and over again until you get the width that you want. And I give you a tips also. I measure my breast, so it's like I show you in the paper here. I measure from the outside of my breast to the middle, and is about 7 inches. So I will continue repeating row 2, but I'm going to make only 5 inches because I will show you, because I want to keep the space between 1 inches in the middle and 1 inches on the outside of my breast. So just the cup, I would like to have just 5 inches. You might want to do the same, no matter how many measurement you have, just minus 2 inches. So here I already finished and I have 10 rounds in total, 10 rounds. Sorry for my English, sometimes I forget the S. Okay, here I show you again the measurement. So 7 inches, right? So I'm just gonna keep 1 inches in the middle and 1 inches on the outside, and you're gonna need to measure one more time. You see, exactly 5 inches. So here 1 in the middle and 1 in the outside of my breast, like I mean the side of my body. So make sure by put against your breast and to see how it fits. So that's it. This cup is fit me nicely, and you can try this method. I don't know, I hope it's work for you. This is how it works for all of my patterns that use this type of cup. And I'm going to show you also how I create the border. Is very easy. I actually have this already in many of my video, but I show you one more time. So the border here, like the under of the cup, I just like to have it is more neat. So chain 2, and again, don't count this chain 2 as any stitch or any half double crochet at all. For me, chain 2 is just to build up the yarn. And now you're going to add a half double crochet at the end of the row, like the base of the row. So I'm just poke the hook in there, and then the base of the row I just add 1 half double crochet in each of that base of the row. So keep doing that, and in the end you get 20 half double crochet stitches. So that's it, chain one and cut the yarn. I hope this fits you. Comment down below how it turns out for you. I'm going to make another cup, and surely I'm going to continue to make something out of this cup. If you would like to also do this project with me, just also let me know that you like me to film and share with you what's going to happen with these cups and what's gonna come out. And as always, click the like buttons if you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I see you next time.